Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Okay, so we put one of these together. I'm going to show you what they look like all done. Okay, so we've got two different sizes. Let me put two of these to the side. So here you can see tall and skinny, normal size ish, normal book size. So I think, let me go ahead and start with this one. I'm only going to flip through two of them because they're virtually the same on the inside, but I just want to kind of show you the differences. So, for those of you who weren't following along with the creation of this one, let me explain what we've got. So we've got kind of a Christmas folio. Fully made by me. Everything in here was done by me. These taller ones, tall and skinny ones, are using a twine binding. And I've got the front and back both decorated with one of the pieces of paper from the digital kit. So this is a digital kit by My Porch Prints, and this came from a digital kit by the Bohemian Crafter. So I'll have a link down in the description to both of those in case you're interested. The fabric, both the outside and inside, both came from Joann's this year. So if you have a Joann near you, or if you want to get it shipped to you, and you can still do that, that's where that came from. So all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this one is an 8.5 by 11 sheet folded vertically. So I guess this is 11 inches tall. And I remember that I want to say that the cover is 4 or 5 inches wide. Yeah, so the cover is 5 inches wide. And then should be, yep, 11 inches tall. So quite a bit different from your typical junk journal, I would say. In the front, we have two pockets, one there and then one here. Okay, let me show you the gorgeousness of this fabric. Do you see that shimmer and shine? It's really that shiny. It's absolutely gorgeous. So white with gray and then silver is the color. And then what we've got on the inside is you've got a signature here for one junk journal, or partly a junk journal. You've got your folio, pocket folio with all of your ephemera in the middle here. And then on the back side, you've got another little junk journal, traveler's notebook style type of doohickey. And then on the back, we've got a belly band on this one with two compartments there. So could fit some Christmas cards, I guess. This index card fits in there perfectly, if that gives you an idea. Now this one, yeah, this one's just a little bit shorter. I did not measure. I kind of guesstimated where the middle was on that, so if that's a big deal for you. These signatures are sewn together, independent of the journal. So see here, it's sewn. So if you wanted to, you could remove each and every piece of this journal and put it back in to help you journal if that's what you wanted to do. Okay, so got all the business taken care of. Let's flip through this journal. So all the papers are going to be the same, and we've got some Christmas music in here as well, and then just various lined dot grid and graph paper and plain paper that have all been tea dyed. So this one actually isn't from that same kit. Where was this one from? It's still from My Porch Prints, but might have been from a different digital kit. I don't remember. And then I backed, so there's two of these in each journal. I backed that with another of her background papers. So that one is slightly different. just as an FYI. But now we're just gonna see the back side of each of these papers. So yeah, really neutral, really, I think, perfect for having the Christmas spirit, but not overtake. I'm gonna walk you through some of this later. Not overtaking as far as being crazy background, to overtake whatever you add into the journal. So really pretty designs here. I just love those snowflakes. That's the center of this one. Yeah, can we just take a second and let me show you how pretty that is. Sorry, my light is going away from me here, so I'm very quickly trying to get this done so that you can see it for the true colors that they are. Okay, so those are the two signatures, and I'm not going to pull out all of the ephemera, but in the ephemera pockets, you've got just different pieces. And I will say this, some of them are copyweight paper, while some of them are printed on heavier cardstock. None of these in the front. So again, all from the same digital kit mostly, except for these words. And there's a set of these in each journal. These came from a different digital kit, so I will link that down below as well. So you've just got a bunch of really fun, and they're red on gray, just different Christmassy themed words and phrases. So there's some of those. So here's the on the cardstock. So yeah, you've just got a bunch of really nice, just different vintage images to look through and use throughout your journal. Again, everything is still in the gray and black and white gray tones. And then some of these, sorry for the lighting, some of these are kind of more beige color and or brown tones. So, but I think it all works super well together. So here's just kind of an idea of what they look like. Oh, and then up here we've got some cuter designs. So these were, yeah, a couple of round ones. Here's what I was looking for. So some kind of like that, and some snowflakes. You got some vintage Santas, lots of blank tags, kind of like this, where these are lined. And these have all been tea dyed. So the back sides are all really nice looking as well. So there's an example of a vintage Santa. There's even some envelopes in here that are ready for you to turn into an envelope. So yeah, really pretty, really pretty. So there will be duplicates. I did print multiples of the same kit out to get all four of these journals done. So just know that you might have some of the same thing. Oh, and then so here's the cover of this one that I just showed you. It's got different Santa Clauses on there, so I don't know if I really showed you that very well. And then the other one was using this collaged image as the cover on the front and the back. So that is the tall and skinny version. Here is the not tall and skinny version. Sorry for my chair. This one is using the evergreen and holly image, and then the Christmas tree on the back. This one I did as a true traveler's notebook style, where you've got two eyelets on the top and bottom, and then this is silver elastic. And then this one has Santa Claus on the front and back, And then this one I did this way. So same sort of thing, just did them a little bit slightly different, but again with the same silver elastic. So let me walk you through these. Let's see, which ones do I pull on to not make it not? Okay, so here is the front of this one, front inside cover. So you've got, and then it's going to be the same for both of these on the covers. You've got a big pocket here and a big pocket here. Again, the papers are all basically the same, and I think I put this one in upside down. So let me fix that. Oh boy, I was working too fast on this one, I guess. Let's do this real time. So well, you can see now how easy it is to pull in and out your signatures to work on them. So yeah, all the same papers. I guess this one I put, instead of Christmas music, you've got some of that from the Sunday school program book that I have. And some wreaths there. Here is your middle signature with the pockets. So you've got kind of a different way of doing the pockets on this one, where the front one has this curved, a little pocket here, and then a little pocket going across. I'm not going to pull all the ephemera out because it's all the same. 3 pockets here, a pocket here, and a pocket there. And then a pocket here and a pocket there. So again, you've got your words with your in red. That's the only color in here. This one has an elastic for each different hole. And then here again, we've got the same sort of thing with the papers. So in a different order, of course. And they're all going to be in a different order. But there you can see all the same base papers. Okay, so and then I guess this one I did where you can fold it out. So that's these 2 journals. Let me quickly show you the difference on this one. Papers and everything are going to be the same. Like I said, the pockets on both the front and back covers are going to be the same. Same basic layout. I ended up with this one, the curve of this pocket's going that direction, but still you've got 3 here, 3 pockets here, 2 there. Pull that over. It's sliding around on me. And then the same 2 pockets here. So the difference with this one is on the spine here, you can see instead of 3 across, I did 2. And on this one, the first elastic is for your first signature, and then the second elastic that's in the spine is for your second. Oh, I put this one in upside down too. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'll fix that. And then this middle one is held on with a free elastic. Here, let me just, I need to fix this anyway. So all this is it goes around this one, and then this needs to go this direction, and so then you just connect these 2 like this. This is very typical for a traveler's notebook. I know we don't really talk about it as much with junk journaling. So these 2 are essentially attached now, and you could do this with the front signature instead if you wanted to. And then to get them to be inside the book, that's when you, yeah, it's sliding around now on me. You just put both of them in there like that, and now see this one's connected to this one, and this one's connected to the book. So that's how that works. Okay guys, I think that's going to be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and like always, I will have a link for each of these down in the description box below. Bye!